Most residential contractors choose the wrong CRM. For one reason. They buy software loaded with features they never actually use. Then 6 months later, the team goes back to spreadsheets, sticky notes, and missed follow-ups. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best construction CRM in 2026 is not the one with the most tools. It's the one your team will actually use every single day. And that matters because leads are expensive now. If you forget to follow up with homeowners, lose estimate requests, or miss client communication, you lose real money. In this video, we're breaking down the best construction CRM options for residential contractors in 2026. We'll compare ease of use, lead tracking, automation, estimating integration, pricing, and which CRM fits different types of contractors. Let's answer the big question right away. For many residential contractors, Buildertrend, House Pro, Jobber, and HubSpot are leading choices in 2026. But each one solves a completely different problem. And that's where most contractors get confused. Now here's where it gets interesting. A lot of builders think a CRM is only about storing customer information. That's outdated thinking. Modern construction CRMs manage leads, estimates, follow-ups, scheduling, communication, reviews, and even payments. In other words, the CRM becomes the center of the business. So let's start with Buildertrend because this platform is extremely popular with residential builders and remodelers. Buildertrend works best for contractors who want both project management and CRM tools combined together. For example, imagine Jake runs a remodeling company building kitchen and bathroom renovations. He needs lead tracking, proposals, customer communication, scheduling, and project updates all connected. That's exactly where Buildertrend feels strong. Leads can move through the sales pipeline. Estimates connect to projects. Homeowners receive updates automatically. And the entire workflow stays centralized. This is a huge advantage for residential construction because homeowners expect communication constantly. But here's the problem. Buildertrend can feel overwhelming for very small companies. This is where most people fail. They buy enterprise-style software too early. Then they spend more time managing the software than running projects. If you only manage a few jobs at a time, Buildertrend may feel larger than necessary. Now, let's talk about Who's Pro because this platform is growing fast with remodelers and design-build firms. Who's Pro combines CRM tools with marketing exposure through the Who's platform itself. That's important because unlike many key arms, Who's Pro can also help generate leads. For example, Alex owns a custom renovation company. He wants homeowners to discover his projects online while also managing estimates and communication. Who's Pro helps with both. The visual presentation is one of its biggest strengths. Proposals look polished. Client communication feels modern. And homeowners often respond well to the interface. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Who's Pro is especially strong for design-heavy businesses. Think remodelers, interior-focused contractors, and companies selling visual upgrades. But if your workflow is heavily operational or field service-based, another CRM may fit better. Now let's talk about Jobber. Jobber is one of the simplest and easiest CRMs for residential service contractors. It works especially well for electricians, landscapers, cleaning companies, HVAC businesses, plumbers, and recurring service contractors. The biggest strength is simplicity. You can manage leads, quotes, scheduling, invoicing, and payments without a massive learning curve. For example, John owns a small HVAC company with 4 technicians. He doesn't want complicated dashboards. He wants fast scheduling and simple customer management. Jobber is excellent for that style of business. But here's the catch. Jobber is less focused on deep construction project management compared to Buildertrend. So if you build large remodels lasting several months, Jobber may eventually feel limited. Now let's discuss HubSpot because this option surprises many contractors. HubSpot is not construction specific. But in 2026, many residential contractors still use it because its CRM automation is extremely powerful. Lead tracking, email automation, pipelines, customer segmentation, and follow-up systems are all very advanced. This is especially useful for contractors spending heavily on ads and lead generation. For example, Jake spends thousands every month on Google ads for roofing leads. If his team fails to follow up quickly, money gets wasted immediately. HubSpot can automate much of that process. But here's the problem. HubSpot often requires more setup and customization. It's not naturally built around construction workflows. So some contractors love it. Others find it frustrating. In a minute, I'll show you which CRM usually creates the fewest headaches for smaller contractors, because honestly, that answer matters more than feature lists. But first, let's discuss the most important CRM feature nobody talks about enough. Follow-up automation. Most residential contractors lose leads because they stop communicating too early. Homeowners get busy. Projects get delayed. People comparison shop. The contractor who follows up consistently often wins the job. This is where CRMs become powerful. Automatic reminders. Email sequences. Estimate follow-ups. Appointment confirmations. Review requests. These small automations create huge revenue differences over time. And this is exactly why spreadsheets fail once businesses start growing. Now let's discuss mobile access, because construction businesses live on phones now. Your CRM must work in the field. Buildertrend has solid mobile functionality for project management and communication. Who's Pro feels polished and homeowner-friendly. Jobber has one of the simplest mobile experiences for service contractors. HubSpot is powerful, but may require more setup to match construction workflows smoothly. Now here's where most people make a mistake. They choose software based on marketing instead of workflow. For example, Alex runs 5 remodeling projects simultaneously with homeowner selections, approvals, and scheduling changes. Buildertrend probably fits better. Another contractor handles quick service jobs all day with recurring appointments. Jobber may feel dramatically easier. Different businesses need different CRMs. Now let's talk pricing, because this category matters in 2026 more than ever. Construction software costs add up quickly. Buildertrend is powerful, but more expensive. Who's Pro pricing varies depending on marketing and feature levels. Jobber is often more affordable for smaller service companies. HubSpot can start cheap but become expensive once automation and advanced tools are added. This is where contractors need to think carefully. The cheapest CRM is not always the cheapest long-term. If software saves missed leads, improves close rates, and reduces admin work, it can easily pay for itself. Now here's where it gets really important. Ease of adoption. The best CRM is the one your office staff and field teams actually use consistently. This sounds obvious, but many companies ignore it. Complicated software creates resistance. Simple workflows create consistency. For example, John buys a giant all-in-one system with dozens of unused tools. Employees hate it immediately. Another contractor chooses simpler software with only the features the team truly needs. That company usually succeeds faster. Software should reduce friction, not create it. Now let's answer the big question directly. What is the best construction CRM for residential contractors in 2026? For remodeling and design-build companies, Buildertrend and Who's Pro are usually top choices. For residential service contractors, Jobber is one of the easiest and most practical options. For companies heavily focused on lead generation and marketing automation, HubSpot can be incredibly powerful. There is no universal winner. And honestly, that's the truth most videos avoid saying. The right CRM depends on your business model, project size, and how your team operates daily. Now, let's simplify the decision. Choose Buildertrend if you want CRM plus serious project management. Choose Who's Pro if visual presentation and homeowner experience matter heavily. Choose Jobber if you want speed, simplicity, and service business efficiency. Choose HubSpot if advanced lead automation is your biggest priority. And before committing to any platform, test your actual workflow first. Not the demo workflow. Your real workflow. Because the best CRM is not the one with the flashiest features. It's the one that keeps your business organized while helping you close more jobs consistently. If this video helped you choose the right construction CRM, Hit the like button, subscribe for more contractor software comparisons, and comment below with the CRM your business currently uses.